Well, this old extension cord has seen its better day. This plug needs to be replaced. It's bad, damaged. So when I bought this new plug, I'm going to go ahead and put on this old extension cord. First thing you want to do is cut off the plug. You don't want to cut it down there at the end. Cut like the last foot or two off, because all that wire at the end's been misused and manipulated. So just cut off that last foot so that wire that might be damaged is gone. I'm going to take my pocket knife, slide it all the way around the outside to remove that outer insulation of that wire. Give it a twist and pull it off. And I'm going to take my inner wire, separate them, take some wire strippers, strip off a little less than ½ an inch of the insulation from the end of the wire. Keep it all clean and nice. Slide on the back shell of your new plug. Do it now so you don't forget. Now I'm going to take my multimeter, use the ohm meter part, and read out the wiring. It looks like it's all wired to code, but looks could be deceiving, so I'm going to check it out. In this little slot, that's where your hot wire goes. That's where your power comes in at, and it should be on the black wire. Household wiring, usually the black is the hot wire. So you can see on my meter, there you go, reading 0.8 ohms. So that's good. Want to go check the bigger slot. That should go to the neutral wire, which is the white wire. Go ahead, and that one reads good also, 0.9 ohms. And now I'm just going to check the other wires, make sure I don't have any shorts. Everything is open the way it's supposed to be. And now I'll go to green wire, which is your safety ground. Ring that out to the round hole on the bottom of the plug, and that checks good. Now I'll line up all my wires to their designated slots, and I'll slide them all in, get them in there all the way. And I'll take my screwdriver and tighten them all up, get them good and tight. You don't want any of these to loosen up and fall out. Could cause a bad accident. Get it nice and tight. Once you have them all in there and secured, give them a good inspection. Make sure they're all in there nice and tight. All your screws are tight. You got the right wires connected to the right pins. Make sure you don't have any strands of wire dangling out of the slots. Once you verify everything is good, you can slide that back shell in place. This one has a little keyed right there, and I got to slide that key into the indentation. Once I get it in there, I want to try to twist it. If it twists, you know you're not aligned properly. If it stays in place, you're probably good. Take it, screw in the 3 screws on the bottom of the plug. You're going to just snug these up because they just screw in the rubber and plastic. You go any more than just snug, you strip them out. Just make sure they're good and snug. Make sure everything is tight. This little back shell clamp, make sure you get that one good and tight, because that really what gives the whole plug its strength and keeps it together. Once that's all good and tight, I'm going to plug in a small appliance, see if it works.